Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Microsoft Store or Windows Store apps or games to your desktop. So for that, click on search and type run. Here type this shell : Appsfolder. Click on OK. Here you will see all the installed app. So just select the one you want to create a shortcut. I'm going to use Netflix as an example and drag it to your desktop here, and that's it. So another way is by using start menu. So for that, open start and select the app or game you want to create a shortcut. I'm going to use Netflix again as an example and click and drag to the desktop, and here you go. So that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions and comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.